Hey girls, so today I am going to be installing a 5x5 lace closure wig. Now I don't really do these type of wig installs, which I'm really going to get back to doing because these type of wigs are so easy to install. You don't have to worry about like trying to blend the lace and make sure the lace is unclockable. Like this is one of these type of wigs where you literally can put it on and go. And honestly, nowadays with having a 2-year-old and trying to work, it is so much more easier on me to have this type of wig. So we're going to get into it. We're going to talk about it and all of that good stuff. And by the way, this wig is being sponsored by LuvMeHair, so big shout out to them. Now, even though this is a lace closure wig, you still want to follow some of the steps that you would typically do with a lace frontal wig install. So basically what I'm doing right here is just going in and smoothing out the hairline, and I did pluck the lace off camera. I didn't do a whole lot, but I did try to get the front of the hairline to be a little bit more on the thin side. So that's why you're able to see the front of the hair looks a little thin, but it's not like super thin. Also, this lace is on a invisible HD lace, which does give it a more natural look when it comes to installing a 5x5 closure wig. So I am going in and plucking the part just a little bit just to get rid of those little hairs that is laying directly on the part. So the number one thing that I noticed about lace closure wigs is just making sure the roots of the hair is as flat as possible. Now I was going to do baby hairs because of course that is going to give it that extra hold, but I said nah, I just want to do like a simple wig install, especially with the 5x5 closure wig. So that's what I'm doing here. I did go in with some holding spray just to secure the lace down a little bit, and you definitely don't have to use any type of glue or gel with a 5x5 closure wig install. But I just decided to do it because I like the way the Got To Be Glued spray helps the lace melt into the skin, and I don't have to worry about, you know, the wig kind of shifting throughout the day, because wigs do that, like they do move. So anyways, so you see how it looks like this wig is literally coming out of my scalp. That is the reason why I definitely did not want to do like baby hairs on this wig, is because I wanted you guys to definitely see that this wig is absolutely beginner friendly and it is such a convenient wig. Um, Okay, so yeah, I definitely needed to do this 5x5 closure wig install because this is giving me everything that I need. Like, it's a super easy, convenient wig install. I don't have to worry about like dealing with the lace lifting and trying to blend the lace and all that stuff that comes with like installing lace frontals or whatever. Like, I'm just so over that right now. I really need just a simple wig that is cute, doesn't take a whole lot to get it to look natural or whatever. And like you guys already see, you cannot tell this is a 5x5 closure wig. Like, you would literally think this is my hair. Look at the scalp, look at the lace, look at how flat this wig lays on my head. Like, this is one of the 5x5 closure wigs that I will definitely tell you to invest your money in, because like, look at that. Y'all, I had no idea I needed this wig in my life. So this wig will definitely be on my Instagram because it's just a really quick, cute install that doesn't require a whole lot. Like, conveniency is my thing right now. Y'all know I got a 2-year-old. I'm running several businesses right now, and I just need something to keep me looking cute, honey. And this wig is definitely giving me that. So I'm going to make sure I leave all the tea about Love Me Hair below in the description bar, so make sure you check them out. You will not regret it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.